Introduction: Python provides several methods to format print output: the % operator, the strot format function, and fstrings. Python's print function. The print function outputs an object to the console. Example: print hello world. Using the % operator, the % operator is used for printf-style formatting. Example: print hello, you have D messages, Alice 5. This method is considered old-fashioned. Using isFormat. .format is a flexible method of formatting strings. It uses curly braces as placeholders. Example: print hello, you have messages, but format Bob 10. Indices can be used to specify argument placement. Using fstrings, fstrings were introduced in Python 3.6. They provide a concise way to embed expressions in string literals. Example: printf hello name, you have messages, common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Avoid mixing up formatting methods. Don't forget to prefix fstrings with f. Ensure placeholders match the number of variables. Conclusion: Python's print formatting options are powerful tools for clear, professional output. Understanding %, format, and fstrings will enhance your ability to work with strings in Python.